Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be tackling my pantry. So Jade's running around. My pantry is definitely looking crazy messy, crazy cluttered, just ridiculous. I think we've all gone through this before, especially if you have kids. They like put stuff everywhere in there. They never put it back where it's supposed to go. But I did organize this a while back, I think when I was pregnant with Jade or right after I had her, so it's definitely been a long time. And I grabbed a couple new things to organize with. She's talking to the dog, y'all. I don't know what's going on. But I got some new things to organize with, so I'm really excited. Usually when I get like a new item like that, even if it's for cleaning or organizing, it gets me in the mood to really tackle it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and tackle organizing and decluttering this pantry. Oh yeah, and don't forget y'all, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, especially if you love cleaning videos or organizing videos. I love to do these. I love watching these as well. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're new. Let me know if you are new down below. I would love to get to know you. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, this is what the pantry looks like right now.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. Started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know we're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire.
Alright y'all, I pulled pretty much everything out of the pantry. I have a few things up here because it didn't all fit on my little circle table. But as you can see, like I said before, I had already organized this, so obviously I have like things in here. I have a couple of these little bin things already full of things, which that obviously is not organized. We just threw chips and whatever else in there. These are new though. So I did get 3 of these, and I want to spray paint the tops, but I do not have the color that I want right now, so I'm going to just go ahead and organize the pantry, and then whenever I get the color I want for the tops, I'll just take them off and spray paint them. And then I did get to, in my last video I went to Michael's and I ended up finding 2 little baskets, kind of like these that I'll show y'all in a minute. I got both of them for $7 on clearance, and I feel like they're perfect size. They're a little bit smaller than this one, but a little deeper. So I would love to use those in the pantry as well, and just try to figure out how I'm gonna put this together and where everything's gonna go, because these ones right here I bought at Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and I would love to use these in the fridge, but I'm gonna use them in my pantry until I have more of like the wicker baskets. Eventually I would like to put these clear ones in the fridge, but until I've mastered the pantry and gotten rid of these to just use these, they're gonna stay in the pantry. Let me show y'all what the pantry looks like. So obviously I have a few things up here. I haven't really gone all the way to the top and like pulled everything down. I'll probably do that last, as well as the very bottom I'm gonna do last. Pull all that stuff out and go through it, because most of this stuff is either bags or decorative or holiday like plates and stuff like that. That's pretty much what's like in this bin right here, is the nicer crystal decorative plates. So obviously I don't need those out. And then this is like a Panera bread maker. It's super heavy. This thing doesn't move from here very often, so I'm just gonna leave it there for now. But I also figured I would leave my cans in there because that's probably where they're gonna stay. But now I need to clean off the counters, and then we'll get to organizing.
Made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good. I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down.
my pantry declutter and organizing with me video. Hopefully you guys got some inspiration, you got motivated to do your own, or maybe your fridge, which my fridge is the next area I want to try to get organized. I just need to get some of those plastic bins for the freezer and the fridge. My freezer is actually way worse than my fridge because I do my meal plans every 2 weeks, and I literally plan for breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. Once we run out of our food, like that's it. We don't have like extra stuff. So it kind of helps cut down on the clutter already, which is nice. So the fridge does not look that crazy, which is fine, and it really does help me realize when, okay, we need to get some more fruit, or we need to get this, or we need to get that. I can see it right away, which I love. But I just would like for it to look a little neater. So that'll be another video. I will definitely get that done. If you guys have done pantry organizing, let me know down below. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me over there, and if you take pictures of it, tag me in it. I would love to see what you do with your pantry and how you organize it, and even like the different baskets and bins that you find, whether it's at Home Goods or Target or Walmart. I love baskets. I was telling my husband that I was getting ready to do this and talking about the new baskets that I got on clearance, and I was so excited about them, and he was like we need any more baskets. I'm like, babe, you can never have enough baskets. We will always find a place to use them. I want more because I want to organize my kids' closets, and I'm gonna need some baskets in there. So hopefully I get to find those soon, or at least get to get out and go look around for some. But anyways, I'm getting off on a tangent now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some inspo and motivation from it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And now I need to go make dinner for my family. So I will see y'all next time. Bye.